Hi, I'm Dr. Anand Gupta, pulmonologist.
I'm Dr. Rida. I'm a diabetes specialist.
So today is a landmark day for both of us.
As we complete 7 years of regular gymming, together as a couple. So we thought, कुछ एक थोड़े helpful tips as medical professionals, as people who've been on this journey. So we thought we'll do this together. So as a chest specialist, I wanted to know a few things. कि आपको, in these 7 years, what do you think as a chest physician or as a doctor, what do you think this journey has really helped you किसी तरह से?
Definitely, I think last 7 years से gym करने से what I found is my body immunity has improved. पहले changing weather में usually cough cold हो जाता था, but now I find कि the frequency of these episodes has really decreased. Allergies are better. Overall, I feel more active, energetic. Definitely, the muscle strength, flexibility has also increased. Lung capacity has increased. I'm able to do a lot of things and don't get tired. So these are some of the changes which I have observed, which are the benefits of going gym.
Okay, and me as a diabetes specialist, I feel बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. It really matters because there was a point, when I started off, I think HbA1c मेरा भी थोड़ा 6+ करीब आ गया था. So that is when I realized कि कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Over here, consistently, I especially have managed to lose a lot of weight. And it's not only about the weight, it's about the way I feel, है ना? एक जो capacity है that you can really run around the whole day, do a lot of things, manage a lot of stuff. I think gym has a big role to play in this फंडा. तो what do you feel? कुछ और you feel that mentally, emotionally भी इसका कोई role है हमारी gymming का?
Definitely, because see, nowadays the mental health is becoming a big issue. A lot of people are having anxiety, depression, overthinking is a problem. So, what I find is doing gym really calms your mind, improves your clarity, even improves your sleep quality, which I found. What I feel is there is no age to go to a gym. कई बार लोगों को लगता है ना कि अब जिम जाने की एज चली गई, but gym is not only about building muscles, it is about improving your exercise capacity, strengthening your muscles, improving the flexibility. Definitely a lot of cardiorespiratory exercises.
So basically, gymming is about living a healthy life, a happy life, wearing what you want, eating thoda thoda of what you want, and staying, really active and happy. Take care and follow us for more details. Bye.